Hi there and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to raise a restaurant order for a guest using the Property Management System, or PMS. Let's get started. First, head over to the Food and Beverages module. Next, click on Restaurant Order. Now choose the restaurant from the list. On the next page, you'll see the option to create a new order. Click on the Add New button at the top right corner. A pop-up tab will appear. Here, select the table number and enter the number of diners. Once done, click on Create Order. Great, the restaurant order has been created. Now it's time to add items to the order. Click on the order you just created. In the pop-up, select the items from the menu. Then view the order and click Place Order. Perfect, your order has been placed successfully. Now let's move on to billing. Click on the order again, and then select Billing. Enter any applicable discount. Next, choose the diner type, whether the guest is in-house or external. In this example, we'll go with in-house. Select the room number and then click Generate Billing. Once the bill is generated, proceed to collect the amount. And that's it. The restaurant order has been successfully processed and billed to the room. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. We're always here to help. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials linked in the description for more helpful tips and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.